guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing like a two-part vlog because I filmed yesterday and I'm filming again. Hopefully I can get out to eat food. I don't know, but yeah, maybe stories. I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup. I'm gonna do something very light and let's get this started. Okay, so I already put my foundation. I already put my primer and moisturizer. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you want brows first. I don't want to do like too dramatic on my brows because I want to do something very light. I really want to get that pin, but I don't know what pin to get. I need my mirror. My screen keeps flipping. If I don't get LTE food or Starbucks, I might make my own coffee here. Yeah, I might make my own coffee and chill, work out again later. And yeah, and yesterday I went to Target, I went to HEB, and I showed some clips of me trying to look where was I in Target. Yeah, I just went to Target. Oh shoot. Yeah, I just went to Target. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just probably relaxing. I was really thinking about getting another camera because the reason why I like this one, but it makes too much noise. And I want like something that doesn't have noise right after. Like, I don't know, you can hear it when I'm talking, or if it's silent, you hear like the camera like, trying to focus. But I don't know. I'll think about it later on in the future. I want to get like a brand new one, and that'll be like my home camera, and then this will be like when I'm like out, like when I'm doing things, that will be the camera. But as right now, we can do with my camera. I mean, I like it. It's just like the noise, and for me, I don't really like the noise. But right now, I'm gonna cut it lightly because I don't want to do like a full glam. I'm just gonna put foundation and probably blush, and that's it. Why is hair coming out? Once white. I think that's okay. It kind of still looks like I did my brows, but I don't know how to make them natural, so I'm always used to doing full glam. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair back again. It's coming off. Okay, I'm gonna do my foundation. What foundation should I use? Yes, I use my NYX Can't Sabon, so I hate how dirty this gets. I'll catch y'all up when I'm finished with my whole makeup. Hey guys, I just got done, so I'm doing some lip liner, and I'm doing my Wet n Wild and Willow. It's this pretty natural shade that matches my lips, and I'm gonna put it on because I just want to define my lips a little bit. I need my mirror. All done. I'm gonna put some gloss on. My Sephora gloss, and yes, honey. Just a little something. Now I'm gonna get dressed, and I'll see you in a little bit. My LOTD, I'm wearing this blue shirt with some leggings because I'm not really doing that much today, so it wasn't really a reason to pop off and dress really nice. I mean, I just want to dress comfy today, but I for sure gonna put earrings on. Okay, this lighting over here is a little dark, so don't mind it. So, oh, let me show y'all. These are the best chips ever if you're like needing a snack, like when you're gonna faint or like in your car. Pita chips are the way to go. They look like that, and I like the sea salt ones, so I saved it for y'all. I ate them yesterday, and I was about to throw them away. Oh, let me show my booze what kind of snacks I've been loving. So these pita ones are the best. You can even get like a different kind, but those are just small and they're cute. And you know, something on the go when you're like going somewhere. So I thought they were really good to eat when you're on the go. But now I'm gonna put some earrings on. I think I'm gonna put baby diamonds. I have some baby diamonds. These diamonds right here. I'm gonna put those on. And they look so cute. I do be looking like Cinderella. And I already did my nails last night because they were looking really ratchet. So I already did them. They don't look the best, but they're cute from afar. My heart one because it's cute and simple. And this is for Pandora. So if you want to get your girlfriend or your sister or your mom or your niece a nice necklace, this one's really cute. That's what it looks like. Really good. My lips look very like, oof. Yeah, I'm getting some acne in because I'm stressing, but other than that, it's gonna be looking good. But I'll catch up when I'm leaving to the bank. Hey boost, so we're finally going to the bank and I'm waiting on my mother. I'll catch up when we're on the road so I can show y'all what I'm doing. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, they don't got chocolate?
Oh no, you just have to look at that. This one. You surely purchased me yesterday. What is this? I don't know. This is only the hot apple there left. I just have to look for
You want this ice? Okay, man. Stop. Well, that's what they're soft on. Pass them like I do.
Also,
Okay,
and if you want some apple and strawberry cream.
yeah.
Hey boo, so I went on a little shopping spree at like H-E-B and Target, so I want to show y'all some of the things that I got. And I need to fill up my hydro flask because I guess I had it all of it open and it kind of leaked all over the car, but not too much. It was just on the mats, but I need to add some more water. I've been on a roll, guys. Every day I've been drinking like 3 or 4 bottles of water. This is so satisfying. I do this almost every day. And I'll put that over there. Oh, I made that. Did you hear that? I made that. But for today for dinner. We're gonna have some steak, salad, and maybe some waffle fries. What a weird crave, but you know, it's still good. So yummy. Whew, okay. So what I got at, let me scooch up back. Okay, so what I got, hey boo, so what I got, I finally got it, it's the Moon toothpaste brand, I think from Kendall Jenner. So I got the cavity protection, the whitening toothpaste with fluoride. So I got this one. It's the one with like blue on it. And this was $7.99. Quite a lot for toothpaste. But it looks super cute though. I'm so excited to try. Why is it not focusing? Okay, y'all get the idea of it, but yes, I got this, and it's free of parabens, animal products, and artificial flavors. It supports healthy smiles everywhere. It cleans and freshens breath for a healthy looking smile. And yeah, boos, if you want to try it out. I'm excited to try this. And oh, it has a seal. And I also got some dry spray, but my mom has it because she's using it on her hair. Oh, that smells really good. And it's white too, so. Oh, I can't wait to try this tonight. Period. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw this box away. I don't even want, oh yeah, so she took the dry shampoo. It's a Christian one, it's a gray one. I'll probably show y'all tomorrow or later. I don't know where she put it, but yes, I got the dry shampoo to try it out. They had the bigger one, but they had the small one, so I want to try the small one just in case, you know, if it doesn't work on my hair again. It was only a few dollars. Then HEB, I got some more cotton rounds because I like to use these with my toner. So your girl's running out, so I got some cotton rounds. Next, I got this Hill Country shave gel. It's the one the same as for the Skin Mate one. I want to try this one because it was cheaper, but I want to try this one because I want to try I want to get Nair, but like I don't want to spend $5 right now. I just want to try this Hill Country brand. I mean, it does the same job. I don't care. So I'm gonna try out this one, and then lastly, I just got me some hot fries because I really wanted some hot chips. So I got some hot fries. Just a very small little haul what I got, but yeah, Boo's not really doing much today. I'll probably work out later, and I'll probably film a little clip. I'm working out with my mom, so I'll probably show you like a little clip of what I'm doing. But other than that, your girl's just chilling. My OOTD, this is a spare shirt, some leggings, and then my Vans my boyfriend got me. It's super cute. But yeah, Boos, I'll catch you up when I'm doing something fun. Hey Boos, so I'm finally eating and looking at my food, but it's still good. Steak and salad, but I'm waiting on my fries because they're still in the oven. But yeah, I want to be eating and watching some YouTube. Yeah, why aren't we focused? Focus, Boo. So I just wanted to let y'all know that I am eating right now, even though if you don't care to know, but I'm letting you know I'm gonna eat. So in a little bit I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna do a Daisy booty butt workout. Oh my god, guys, I've been doing this for quite a while and it's been killing me, but I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit what I do, and I want to talk to y'all for a little bit, saying what I've been up to and all the good. Let me fix my camera real quick. Oh my god, I was just relaxing. I was watching more of some Cobra Kai. I've been watching that lately, and oh my god, my boyfriend's like, you need to watch it, and I'm like, no, okay, I want to watch it. And then my mom said, we need to watch it, you know, it looks so good, and I'm like, okay, we'll watch it. We've been watching it, and it's honestly pretty good. If you haven't seen it, it's on Netflix. It's Cobra Kai, and there's 3 seasons, and the 4th season is coming out this year in December, so I'm pretty hype, I believe. So that's my book. I don't know, but it's so good. So I'm just been relaxing lately, and oh my god, I don't feel like working out because I'm just relaxing in my bed. Like, you know, your girl has working out. No excuses here, booze. Today I only put mascara, but other than that, I'll catch y'all up when I am ready to work out. Hey Lou, so I'm about to do the workout. I'm doing the Daisy Quiche, I think that's how you say her last name, workout, her bubble butt workout. So I'm gonna do it in my room. My mom is busy, so she said I can just do it without her. So I'm gonna do it. Like, let me put y'all somewhere nicer because my room is very small. I don't have this room. I usually do in the living room, but we got this. And plus, I just made cookies, so while I'm doing this, I'm gonna wait on the cookies. This is already done, but I need to work out because I didn't get to work out yesterday because I was not feeling well. I was, like, my nerves were getting to me, so yeah. YouTube, let's get this party. Yeah, let's get this party. And I have an audience to watch me, to protect me. Yeah, she's over there. So, okay, that's it. Oh, look at the doggy. Oh. Gotta
Chicken, come here.
work out.
Especially during quarantine. And okay, so the next exercise that you're gonna do, you've got 15, then you're gonna do.
I'm doing this workout. Wish me luck.
So you're gonna do 15 full fire hydrants and then 15 pulses.